Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to do training transfer in FIFA Mobile. So before we can get to this page, the first thing that we should remember is we will need to have this secret tokens. Okay, so in order to get that, you will then just have to go to your store and then click on the founders and then click on this package. Okay, this pack contains training transfer items. Okay, used for training transfer. When you have enough training transfer items, they will be used preferentially. Okay, so since we already get that, okay, so let's go back to our team. Okay, so just have going to find that in your store. And then here, I wanted to transfer the training of this player to this player. So all you have to do is to click on that player and then click on the train. So here you can see the transfer training level. Okay, so you will then just have to click on that, and then here you would be able to select the player that you want. So here is that player. So just click on the unlocked and then select it. And then here you will be able to see him on the frame. Now, if you transfer the training of that player to this player, that this new player will have this new OVR training level and then training rank level. So now just click on the transfer. Okay, and then when you click on that, you can see that the training has been transferred to this player. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.